Good morning. Today is November 27, 2011, and this is Jason Scott with an update on your national and regional forecast. Taking a look at the south, a storm system stalls over the lower Mississippi Valley, producing moderate to heavy rainfall over Tennessee and eastern Mississippi and Alabama. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, with a few local heavier amounts of 3 inches or more expected through this evening. Thunderstorms are possible over the southern part of Alabama and Georgia and Florida Panhandle this afternoon and tonight. A mix of rain and snow or a period of wet snow is possible in the Ozarks in the northwest part of Arkansas, especially during this morning. No significant snow accumulation is expected. It may be windy and cool behind the storm in Oklahoma and Texas. Winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour with a few gusts to 30 miles per hour are expected in the Oklahoma and Texas area. High temperatures will range from 40s and 50s in the lower Mississippi Valley to the 70s and lower 80s over the southeast and Florida. On Monday, storm will be moving eastward very slowly and keeping a threat of heavy rain over the eastern part of the Tennessee to Florida peninsula. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches and a few spots of 3 inches is possible over eastern Tennessee and northern Florida on Monday and Monday night. Wet snow mixes with the rain over the eastern part of Arkansas, western Tennessee, and northern Mississippi, with no significant accumulations expected during the day. Monday night, snow could accumulate in western Tennessee and northern Mississippi and northern Alabama. Have to stay tuned on that. On the Midwest, it looks like a storm system will produce rain in the lower Michigan and southeast Missouri and Kentucky, with snow showers over northern Michigan and southwest Missouri. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches with a few higher spots of 3 inches possible in the Ohio Valley and Kentucky. No significant accumulation of snow is expected today. Winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour is expected behind the storm from the Great Lakes to southeast Kansas. Highs will range from the 30s and 40s in the Mississippi Valley to the 50s and 60s of the western plains and eastern Ohio Valley. Monday, the storm continues to produce moderate to heavy rain over the southern Michigan to Kentucky. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches possible in the Ohio and eastern Kentucky. Wet snow and rain mix with wet snow possible over the southeast part of Missouri, southern Illinois, and western Kentucky. No significant snow accumulation is expected at this time. Over the northeast, the high pressure keeps it mostly dry and mild through Monday. Showers impossible over the northern part of New England, western New York, western Pennsylvania, western Virginia, and western part of Virginia on both days. Temperatures continue to be 5 to 15 degrees above average both days. High temperatures will range from the 30s and 40s over northern Maine to the 60s and lower 70s over the southeast part of Virginia on Sunday. High temperatures on Monday should be in the 40s and 50s from the northern New England area and western Pennsylvania to the 60s and low 70s elsewhere. Over the west, most of this region will be under control of area of high pressure, keeping it dry. A storm drops from the Pacific Northwest, and it should be causing some heavy rain and high mountain snows. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches possible over the western part of Washington and parts of northwest Oregon. Snowfall over a foot expected over the northern part of the Cascade Mountains and Washington, and up to 12 inches possible in the southern Washington Cascades. East of the storm, strong Chinook winds will continue in the parts of the Montana area. Sustained winds of 15 to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 40 to 70 miles per hour expected over central and eastern Montana. Moderate to Santa Ana winds will continue through the morning in and around the mountains of Southern California. Winds in Southern California diminish during the afternoon and evening. High temperatures will be in the 40s and 60s, and the northwest in 50s and lower 80s over the desert southwest. That's your latest on your national and regional forecast right here on Extreme Storm Central.